Yeah, you big and strong. Big boy. Oh, good job. Good job. Yeah, they're dirty and they're heavy. You did it. You did it good. You're big and strong. Yeah, you helped Daddy big time. Yeah, you're big and strong. Yeah, this engine's pretty heavy. I don't think you can carry it. Yeah, we can carry parts, but we can't carry the whole engine. It's heavy. You gonna take it apart for Daddy? I'll give you access to all my toolboxes. Okay, you speaking Chinese now? Okay. Good job. What? Yeah, it's probably a mayfly. Yep, they're everywhere right now.
Where is he going?
Yeah, it's just the old mayfly.